I'm Ruby Wake, and today I want to discuss funding of a revocable living trust. So in one of my videos, I discussed the different strategies that you can utilize to avoid probate here in the state of Florida. One of the strategies we utilize is what's known as a revocable living trust, or living trust or revocable trust. They all mean the same thing. For the purposes of this video, I'll just call it a trust, just so that I won't be stuttering over my words over and over again. So in order for the trust to serve its purpose, remember the only real purpose of this trust is to avoid probate. So in order for it to serve that purpose of avoiding probate, we actually have to fund the trust. Well, Ruby, what the heck does that even mean? What that means is that you have to actually retitle your assets during your life into the name of the trust. So your house is no longer owned by Jane Smith, it's owned by the Jane Smith Family Trust. Your bank account is no longer owned by Jane Smith, it's owned by the Jane Smith Family Trust. Your life insurance policy, you can't really retitle those, so instead we're going to name the trust as the beneficiary of that of that policy. I'm sorry. So it's really important, because if you have a revocable living trust, a lot of attorneys, the problem that I'm sort of dealing with all the time is that clients or beneficiaries or children come to my office and they say, Mom and Dad set up a revocable living trust to avoid probate, but now the bank is saying that I have to go through probate. I need a probate attorney. This doesn't make any sense, Ruby. Unfortunately, the bank is right, because although your parents' attorney set up this beautiful trust, probably charged them a few $1,000s, they didn't take that extra step to ensure that the trust was properly funded and ultimately avoids probate. So you actually have to take that extra step while you are alive and transfer your assets into the trust. Now, if you are watching this video and you already have a revocable living trust and you have no idea what I'm talking about right now, you have a problem. You have a false sense of security, because in all likelihood, you're not going to avoid probate. You should go back to your attorney and discuss the proper funding of that trust. And if they cannot assist you, then perhaps it's time to find a different attorney who will be able to take that extra step. Because honestly, that trust is not worth the paper it's printed on if it's not properly funded. So it's really important to transfer and retitle all of your assets while you are alive into the trust in order to avoid probate.